Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a 57 T-Bird. This baby's been rotisserie restored and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see its painted body color on the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that Y block. We're gonna look at the interior. It's got both tops, soft top and hard top. Go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You'll be able to see pictures of both. Now, we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So look at this beautiful car. Man, the chrome on the front bumper looks brand new. The grille looks great. The paint is phenomenal. Slick as can be. All the body lines look good. T-Bird emblem looks great. Hood scoop chrome here is looking beautiful. Everything about the car is amazing. Like I said, it's rotisserie restored. The wide whites are looking great. The doors are fitting nice. All the chrome around the windshield is in decent shape. We got good looking chrome here on the vent window. That looks like it may be original to the car, just in beautiful shape. All the stainless and chrome is nice and bright. Take a look at the dash there. Now that horn ring is definitely original to the car, and look how beautiful it is. This car was very well kept throughout the years. 1957. This baby is 5 years older than me. What that makes this thing about 61 years old. What beautiful shape it's in. Fender skirts looking sharp. The bumper's looking great. Let me grab the key here and we'll get in the trunk there. Tail light lenses are looking great. I love how the exhaust comes out in the bumper. These T-Birds are so freaking cool. Now this emblem here is also in beautiful shape. See if that doesn't look like it's the right key. All right, I got the right key now, and you gotta turn it to the right. There you go, look at that. We got the jack in there, we got the lug wrench, we got the spare tire. Trunk mat looks like it's beautiful. Everything in here is all painted up beautifully. Bottom side of the deck lid's painted. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer. That means we own all the vehicles here. We've got over 230 in stock right now, and we're bringing in about 40 every month. So what we do is we inspect them before we buy them, then we bring them to the shop and inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this T-Bird for a ride. So who's ready to invent a time machine, go back in time, and make sure Ford stays on the sports car market on the T-Birds? Man, they went into the luxury car market. I wish they'd have kept this car as a sports car. What a sweet ride, and can you imagine where the T-Bird would be today if they stayed on that platform? Man, who knows what this baby would have been? I tell you what, it was a sweet car back then, and it's even a sweeter car now. Got Y-block power under the hood. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this T-Bird anywhere in the world. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. If you need some help with financing, we got help there too. We got 3 bankers we work with all the time. A 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream is yours. Now, if you want to fill it out online, just go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There's a form right online where you can fill it out. You can see down here on the dash, the tach is working. It's a little gauge right here. Speedo's working, the fuel fill's working. Looks like the temperature gauge is working. Now, the clock is going round and round, but I would not count on it to keep time. It does have an aftermarket radio in it. It's an automatic. It's driving good, stopping good, steering good, running great. Like I said, what a sweet ride. Can you imagine? Oh man, it would have been a badass car, guys. She's got a lot of get up and go, and we'd love to have you come out and visit us. So please give us a call at 248-974-9513. Let Tom know you're coming to check it out. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. We're open on Saturdays if you'd like to drive in and check it out. We've always got new inventory coming in at Vanguard. We bring in about 40 new cars every month. We'd love to meet you, love to meet our customers. We sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so you never know who's buying them. So we love to meet our customers. Now here's our building, and we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this up on the lift so that we can check out the underside. Then we're gonna get underneath the hood and check it out under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 57 Bird. The chrome on this bumper looks good. As you can see, it's painted body color under here. It's nice and clean. Looks like the gas tank's also been restored. Spring pack looks like it's been restored. We got right around a 310 gear in here. Brake lines look like they're new. And again, here at Vanguard, the guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like it's got new shocks. Definitely has a new exhaust system on it. The resonators look new. The mufflers look good. The frame's nicely painted. Drive shaft's nicely painted. U-joints look good. Third member is primer, just like it should be. That's the way they did them back in the factory days. I tell you, these frames on these cars are amazing. I tell you, that looks like a bridge right there. It's so solid. Back side of the rockers looks good. Floorboards look great. We've got the Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission, 312 up front here. Car does have power steering on it. Again, with the brakes up front, it does have drums up front, and the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Bottom side of the radiator's nice and clean. Core support looks nice and solid, and again, nicely painted. All the frame up here is nicely painted. All the bushings up here look like they're in good shape. Chrome on the back side of the bumper also looks good. I mean, this is an amazing car, guys. This thing could use mirrors underneath it, and you could show it off. It looks so good. Let's look at those wheels and tires. We've got Coker Classic tires here. These are the wide whites. Great looking hubcaps here. They look like original 57 hubcaps. As you can see, the wheel wells are all nicely painted. Back side of the fenders here, nice and smooth. They blend right into the rockers, and they're looking beautiful. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back again, Coker white walls, good looking hubcaps. The fender skirts are looking great. That wheel well's looking great. You can see the brand new exhaust here, the beautiful paint on the frame. Just an amazing build on the car. The rocker looks great. That pinch weld down there also looks great. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 312Y block. Now the casting tells us this is a 1 year only 312 block. It's got the T-Bird aluminum valve covers that have been all polished up. It does have power steering. It does have power brakes. It's got the original style battery in it. It does have, all the wiring looks good. All the hoses look great. The exhaust manifolds look awesome. It has been upgraded to a Holley carburetor sitting on top, a regular 4-barrel there. Still does have the generator on it. Looks like we got some brand new shims up here in the crossbars and the upper control arms, so it looks like it's got a fresh alignment on it. We've got radiator, looks like it's new. All the wiring's looking good down here. Top side of the radiator looks good. Paint on the bottom side of the hood looks awesome. I mean, This is a sweet ride, guys. Take this anywhere and you're gonna win some awards. This 57 Bird is a blast to drive. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.